Hello guys, this is Man Shurabi, and in this video I want to show you the difference between Auth and Auth. Yes, the topic of today is authentications. One of them is of course Facade, and one of them is Helper, and we use Auth in even Blade and in the views and etc. So this is the topic of today. I want to show you everything, talk about it, the difference, how to use it, and etc. So don't waste time. Let's go to the screen and go. Okay, let's talk about it. The difference between Auth Facade and Auth Helper and Auth Midware and this Auth Blade directive. So the first one, Auth Facade. Well, look at this file. This Auth, okay, by this Auth is a kind of facade. It's a facade and it's static interface. Okay, it's a static oriented object interface, and it's used to work with authenticated user. Okay, so for example, we can check if Auth check if the user is logged in, do something. Okay, for example, anything you can check. Okay, you can log the user in even or log the user out, log the user in, and etc. Okay, work generally with each authentic job. Okay, and after that, look at here. Okay, so we can get the current user, which is try to work with API. Okay, log in, log out, and etc. And this Auth is a kind of helper. Okay, so you can use it without of any usage or any other thing. Easily you can come here and say, okay, Auth. Okay, and it's chainable, and you can say Auth log out or even log in the user. Okay, and check if user, and you can get the user model and any kind of name, username, or etc. Okay, and after that you can easily with this helper work with guards. Look at this. For example, you can easily with this chain you can check the web or this guard and etc. Okay, example API actually, or any other thing which is here in on this sorry about that Auth config. You have this default as API. So here whenever you say this Auth with no specifying the guard, it use this default one. Okay, so you have to specify the guards here. Okay, and that's it. So the key difference is the implementation and how it's used. Okay, it's kind of helper, and that's a facade. That's interface, and that's a static object-oriented interface, and that's it. These are the difference, but the purpose and the last result is very similar. Okay, so it's that, but this is more compact. This is better for testable, and that's it. And one other thing is Auth Midware. Okay, and one of them is Auth Blade. For example, here on, for example, welcome Blade, you can say yes, we have this look at this Auth. Okay, for example, you're in your interface, you're in your front end, you need to check if the user logged in, do this. Okay, for example, if the user logged in, show the logout button and etc. And if user did not log it in, show the login URL or any other thing. Okay, now let's test it out here. I log it in, okay, with this one, as you can see, and I add this API here and add a test controller with test function, and for the API that's it, test else, okay. Yep, there you go. User logging in using this Facade, and after that we have the user role, username with this Facade, and after that we play around with these, and after that we check it and do it the exact job with this helper, okay. So that's it, and look at this, and one of the using of Auth, which is maybe you heard or you see maybe on your codes, is on middleware supports and here, okay. So for checking the authentication or anything, this is kind of a middleware over here, okay. It's not helper, it's not Facade, and it's middleware. So this keyword Auth is very maybe confusing if you don't know, okay. So here, for example, whenever you wanna add a middleware, you can say this is Auth, okay. So you can maybe pass a guard or whatever for this middleware, okay. You can see I used here, and it's middleware. So these are very different kind of keyword for that specific Auth. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe it, and leave comments for me. That's good motivation, and that's it. I hope to see you in the next videos. Let's go.